Did you know some people can read the sky like a book, but cannot read a single page of themselves? She had a gift. Every morning before the village woke, Sora climbed a ridge and listened to the wind, a shift in pressure, a stillness too heavy for the season. She read it all. She had saved her people from floods, fires, and early frost more times than they could count. They trusted her completely, but the people closest to her kept leaving, quietly, without explanation, and she never understood why. Then came a night with no clouds, no wind, no signs to read, just silence pressing in from every direction. She stood on the ridge and searched the sky for something, anything, and found nothing. So for the first time, she looked inward, and there it was, a storm she had never once noticed, cold and churning and years old. She had no words for it, no tools, no training. We build our greatest skills facing outward because turning inward takes a different kind of courage entirely.